Hi, this is Pashri. I'm happy to be announcing that we're co-hosting an event on the 30th of October. We're doing it with Wiboon.com and Atelier by P'tit Coeur. This will be super interesting for those of you who are into supporting causes and charities. So stay tuned for more information. It's that time of year where many organizations are embarking on fundraising to support their chosen causes or charities. In the past, for many organizations, raising funds took place at an event, a store, or selling raffle tickets. Nowadays, with new technology, fundraising can be made online, which enhances that process. Collecting donations online is easy and inexpensive and less time-consuming. Additionally, the process is transparent, making donations trackable and connecting the donor directly with the beneficiary. We invite you to join us on Wednesday, October the 30th from 2:30 to 5:30 at Atelier by P'tit Coeur to get to know how easy it is to start an online fundraising campaign. Plus, we'll also share online tips to make sharing and caring easier than ever. To book your seat, please visit our Facebook group or the Eventbrite link. For more information, you can email info@wiboon.com or call 087-267-5452.